This is a demonstration of the hosted content system for Unibill, a solution for serving downloadable content to paying users. When a user makes an in-app purchase, Unibill can supply the downloadable content that goes with it, such as a level pack, asset bundle, or any other set of files. Unibill manages the whole process for you, including verifying purchase receipts, so that only paying customers can download your content. The API is cross-platform and universal, so your code will work the same on any supported platform, just like Unibill does. So let's see how we can deliver some files in exchange for an in-app purchase. Let's assume we have a content pack that we want to sell for $5. I'm going to give this one a name. Then we go to unibiller.com, which is where we define our downloadable content. You can see I've already created an application here, and we're looking at the downloadable content section. In the lower half of this screen is where we define our downloadable items. I've just created one here, so I take its identifier and I paste it back into the inventory editor to associate it with our in-app purchase. Now we need to choose which files are served to the user when they purchase that item. I have a folder here with a couple of files in it. There's a text file with a message and there's a video file. I'm going to zip up both of those files. Now you can use whatever zip tool you like. Now I'm going to upload that zip file. You'll notice that you serve a different version of your content for each different platform. Now you can upload the same file twice, but typically you'll be using asset bundles which are not cross-platform compatible. So now we can see our files uploaded, it's ready to be served. We can test it right from within the inventory editor. So I've got the Unibill demo scene ready here. So we can see that we have our content pack defined in our inventory. The first thing we're going to do is buy that in-app purchase. Ordinarily, if we're on a device and we click buy, we'd be presented with the in-app purchase confirmation screen by Apple or Google or whoever. But in this case, it's going to succeed because it's in the editor. Now that we own that content pack, we can try and download the files that are associated with it. So let's open up the console so we can see what's going on. The download starts in the background, and it finishes quite quickly because this is a very small file. So there's a few messages relating to the download and its progress, and we can see at the end that it unpacked our files for us. So we've got our message and we've got our video file. So let's see the code behind this scene. There are a couple of download related events that are new to Unibill. There's the download progressed event, which we register here. This event takes a purchasable item parameter, and it takes a progress integer, which ranges between 1 and 99 and informs us how far the download has progressed. The second event that we register for is the download complete event. Now this again takes a purchasable item parameter, but it also has a directory, and this directory tells us where our content's been extracted to. In this case, all we do is list the files in that directory and print out their names. And that concludes the demo.